The wheels have arrived. So they arrived yesterday. So I didn't want to tell you about them. So these have arrived. What I want to do is we'll go take these up to Collab now. I want to just put them on, test them, test the fitment, make sure that they're good, because they are 19-inch wheels. Do you want to have a look at them?
Yeah.
Go on then. Yeah. I'll tell you what. We'll leave it till we get to Collab, and then you can have a look at them. Morning.
Morning.
Here, stick microphone on, so I've got something to show you. A little bit busy today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good Friday.
I'm going to say it's for a Good Friday.
Yeah, Good Friday, and we're working. We are having a late start though for us, aren't we?
Yeah.
10 o'clock. Woo! It's like a holiday starting at 10. Where's your glasses?
Under here,
Why?
so people don't think I wear glasses.
You vain.
I only wear them for seeing.
Right. Yeah, you take over that.
I'm going to have to put my glasses on so I can see.
Oh, the new ones.
Yeah.
Woo, look at you.
Poundland's finest. I think they were made for a child though.
Yeah, you look a bit old age pensionerish. Right, a little bit busy today, or this week. Air ride suspension on one, full fit out on another, half fit out on another. Audi in the corner. Well, we're talking on the Audi. Last week, obviously, we did the video on the Audi. Stay there. You're not allowed to come around the corner yet.
Okay.
Right. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I've lost it. No, I haven't. It's there. Right. Well, we were doing the Audi last week, and we were struggling with the sunroof, weren't we, last week?
We're toils and tribulations again.
I've got to say a big thank you to Jim Horth, who actually contacted me and was sending me videos of his Mark II Golf that he'd stripped down. He'd actually gone to the garage and stripped his sunroof down because he thought that looks very similar to the Golf one, and he actually stripped it apart for me, all his sunroof and everything, and showed me the sunroof and how it worked. Very slight differences in it, but it worked. And I haven't put it in yet. So like I say, I've been busy, but I found out where them pieces go.
Let me get around this side.
Oh, can you see? So we found out where they go. So they go on that. Little pieces go in there. And we know what we need for the inside of the sunroof. Now we can get them. I'll put that there. So if you look at the sunroof, we just put the track in. What it is a little piece of flat bar basically with screw holes and a little lump at the back of it, so that rides up and pushes the sunroof up. Can get them from France, but the guy's a bit non-communicative and he wants quite a lot of money for them, so tough. I'm from Yorkshire, I'm going to make them myself. So we'll make them today if we get chance, because today we've got to go and look at a Toyota pickup.
A Land Cruiser.
Land Cruiser, Toyota Land Cruiser with a 350 ZX engine in. So we've been asked by a good friend of ours to look at that, put new ECU in it, racing ECU and wiring loom. So we've got to do that. We've got to quickly sort out the air ride on this. But, so thank you very much to Jim. Brilliant. Thank you very much for that. Also as well, stay there. Don't you dare go around that corner. We've had a special delivery this week. Keep saying Thank you as well to Matt from Mark II Spares. Matt sent me a little Gullwing. A Hot Wheels Gullwing.
Is that what number we're having outside of it?
We could do. Should we put 417 outside of it in big letters like that? Just paint it on. So thank you very much for that, Mark. Matt, much appreciated. So do you want to see what's come this week?
Yeah.
In the post. Come on. I am so excited about these. The wheels have arrived. So they arrived yesterday. So I didn't want to tell you about them. So these have arrived. What I want to do is we'll go take these up to Collab now. I want to just put them on, test them, test the fitment, make sure that they're good, because they are 19-inch wheels. Do you want to have a look at them?
Yeah.
Go on then. Yeah. I'll tell you what. We'll leave it till we get to Collab, and then you can have a look at them. I'll take. Oh, do you want me? I'll give you a sneak preview of the centre part though. Oh
man!
We'll leave it at that.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell. Come on, I just saw Gullwing in both. Let's have a look, see what they're doing. Quiet, there's nobody about. Bank holiday, isn't it?
Bank holiday, ain't it?
Really quiet. Hey, Josh.
Yo.
You alright, buddy?
Alright.
Alright, mate. So, Lee, you win today?
Yeah. Bank holiday, isn't it?
Yeah, unfortunately. That don't count when you're self-employed.
No.
Oh. Wow.
Looking a bit better now.
Yeah.
Big old blue shift from yesterday.
That's this last coat, you think?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Last
To be
coat.
fair, we have straight it's now looking. Yeah, I think we're on as well here. Obviously, all your door gaps are gapped up.
Yeah.
We took your hinges, basically everything off back at door, so.
So that's why, yeah.
Wherever they want to go. But yeah, they are all gapped up once.
They're still pretty good.
On them.
Still pretty good though.
It's nice and straight now. A damn sight better than what it was.
Yeah. What do you mean? We brought it to you
I was
perfect.
going to say, we're nearly done when we
Yeah,
brought
we're
it,
nearly
wasn't
done.
it?
We just thought it was,
Well, I wanted to waft over in colour.
yeah.
Just a little skip.
Yeah. A little waft over with a wafer fin, wafer fin body. It's nice, is that?
Yeah, it's definitely heading in the right direction.
Yeah. Right. Can we try some wheels on?
Of course you can.
We brought some wheels. No, nobody's seen these yet. We haven't even showed anybody yet. See what you think to them. Floating centres.
Oh, yes.
You can hold that.
Driving a porcelain now, aren't we? They look huge.
They look fantastic, don't they?
Yeah, that's stunning.
Very nice.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
What do you think then?
Really nice.
Like them?
Yeah?
I'm a fan. I'll take the suede in.
Yep.
There we go. Look at that.
Bit of super glue, that'll solve that, won't it? Stop it spinning. It's broke! Do you want me to make squealing noises?
Well, you made daft noises for all other things.
I always do, don't I?
At least you'll not have to go around lining centre caps up.
Yeah, when you're sure.
That's what I said. I have told him I'm not cleaning them as well.
I love that style here.
It's
For a car like this, it's perfect.
it's reminiscent of the old style in it, I think. That's what I wanted to go for. Make it look like it were the old sort of style of the wheel.
Are they two-piece or three?
Two.
Two.
Yeah, 8J19s.
Yeah, they're going to look.
They're going to look sick.
really well
Yeah,
that.
yeah. So we'll get the jack out. We'll get it up on this side, and we'll see what it look like. We're going for a different offset, so we can take it. We've took them further in. So yeah.
By how much?
There were 32. We've got a 45,
Sound.
so it should be all right.
Yeah. Give that little bit clear as well.
Yeah. Fingers
Perfect.
crossed. Right, let's get them in then and let's get them tried on. Don't worry, the centre caps do fit, it's just that we put some masking tape on it just so that they're easier to remove rather than putting a screwdriver in and just prising them off. At this stage we don't want to obviously mark the wheels. All we're really doing is just checking fitment at this point, making sure the wheels line up, they don't foul anything at the back or on the arches, and then we can obviously get some tyres put onto them. The air noise that you'll hear at this moment is just from the air suspension. It's just the air coming out of the tank as we lower the suspension. We're going to get a silencer put on this so you'll hardly hear it. But again, at this point we're only just trialling things, making sure everything works okay before we refine it. Yep, fine. Yep. We're all to 0?
We're not at 0, but it's stopped going down.
Yeah. Perfect. Not many times I'm speechless, is there?
No. Definitely not.
Just, yeah. Just absolutely, yeah. I'm in love with them. Can't wait for it to be painted now and it to be done. They are beautiful. Fantastic fitment. Massive, massive thanks to Ray at RB Forged for helping me with these and supplying them. Big thank you and shout out to Richard Plum for helping me work out the specs as well. Which if you've ever worked out wheel specs and ETs and all that lot, it's a pain in the backside. But nailed it on these. I say floating centre caps are to go on, but we're going to leave everything obviously till it's all painted. And this is the final coat of primer, Josh was saying, didn't he?
I thought you said colour then.
No, actually quite like it in this colour now. It's growing on me. Oh, I love them. I think it's absolutely fantastic. Obviously that's aired out, but we've just checked clearance, haven't we? And it will actually dry, won't it?
Yeah.
As that.
That's that height.
At that height, so still plenty of clearance. Yep, speechless for once. Love them to bits. They have got that original Merc look, haven't they? Merc wheel look, which is what I wanted to do. I didn't want to go too much off the scale, as it were.
Just laughing at you, sat there.
I know. Do you know something though?
Well,
Probably won't be able to get back up with me back. That's why I'm sat here. I'm waiting for you to come and give me a hand
you're
up.
waiting for me to turn off and pull you up.
Yeah, just kick me over and I'll get up. We look like little turtle with my legs in there. If you've liked what you've seen, let's say there's a little bit to do yet. Paint to go on, obviously, interior to do. We're getting closer to the finish line, as it were. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Much appreciate all of your following, your comments. Let us know what you think. What do you think to the wheels? If you don't like them, tough, I do. It's my car. Okay guys, see you later. It's a goodbye from me. Sorry it's been a short video, but can't really do much, can we, with these guys?
Yeah, we're just waiting for him
painting. That's why we've snuck in today. So, yep. See you later.
Bye.